What's the meaning of adductor muscle? Adductor muscle. Adductor muscle. Adductor muscle. Adductor muscle. Adductor muscle. The adductor muscles are a group of muscles located in the inner thigh region of the body. These muscles are responsible for bringing the legs together and aiding in movements such as walking, running, and jumping. The primary function of the adductor muscles is to support the stability and balance of the body. During these movements, strong adductor muscles also help to prevent injuries related to the knees, hips, and lower back. Regular exercise and stretching can help to strengthen the adductor muscles, improving overall fitness, mobility, and athletic performance.